Hey there! Welcome to Moondays TV, the first episode ever for this new format. And Mario is behind the camera this time. You're gonna see him a lot in the upcoming episodes. But now I'm with George and Tony, and they just finished a photo shoot, and trust me, it's controversial, it's shocking, it's full of emotion, and I want you guys to talk to me about this. You were going for that shocking thing, weren't you? Yes, I was shocked beyond belief when I saw you first. I was like, what the is going on here? So it's your concept, is that it?
It is.
Yeah.
You know, it's a concept that I've been rolling around in my head for the last year or so, and probably more so because of all the suicides that we've heard of, all the bullying, all the kids being beaten up.
For those kids,
it's a nightmare, and so I've been thinking about it a lot, and I wanted to do something, a message out, and I wanted to work with two of the people that I think are really passionate in this. And Jorge is somebody who's really passionate when he works. This is the second time I work with him. And
true. It's very true. We're friends too, you know.
And Mario Bushin, of course, I love to work with because, you know, he gets me and I get him. So the concept was I was born gay, I died a faggot, and it was really a message against bullying, even though the end result was kind of tragic. We're two friends who get beaten up, and we've had it. We've had it with
you
life.
die. You actually die. I was walking in, and you were like with the, you know, with the rope around your necks. And were you comfortable?
I was okay.
It didn't look comfortable to me.
No, I was okay. I'm not comfortable about the topic, but I think it's something that should be shown because I don't think Tony and I are going to stop this, and I don't think there's anybody stopping this. I think we just have something to say, and this is, we just had to be in the front line to and come up front with this concept so people could see what Tony, this is what he had in his head, and those are images he needed to be captured.
You got his theme right away.
I felt them. And when he told me about this, I worked it in my head, and I am very happy this happened to me.
I think they both got it, and it's very simple as a concept. It was intense to do,
but it's shocking.
As a shot.
It's really shocking.
But it's very simple as a concept for people who were born gay. I mean, this is not a choice.
But it's bullying. That's the thing. Were you bullied both as a kid?
Who wasn't?
I was.
Really? Yeah.
We all were. We all were. Some
really?
to a further extent than others. But it was. You know, being born gay,
but it's still going on.
Dying a faggot is tragic because, you know, when you come out of a club and somebody beats you up, what are they screaming out to you? They're calling you a damn faggot, and they're punching you and they're beating you, and you go home or you go to the hospital all bruised up, and it's tragic. Like he said, it's not something that we are going to stop, but it's a message to be sent out, and I think more people need to get involved.
That's what you wanted
it's
to
a
do
very,
with this.
it's a very deep-rooted issue. I'm glad I got to do this project. I think we got the shots that we wanted to get.
So thank you very much for being a part of this first episode ever.
Thank you, Mario.
See you next time, audience. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.